Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we're going to be discussing Wadzpay. What's up with Wadzpay? It's going to be an interesting discussion, guys. You're going to be liking it, so watch till the end. And I want you guys to comment on it and discuss your own opinions as well because I find this discussion rather interesting. Anyways, guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins as well as potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon as well. So do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of the Wadzpay token. Guys, check this out. Wadzpay is down 14.14% for the day, but as I was watching the charts, guys, I thought that this might go up, but this is basically Wadzpay is going through a bit of volatility. Let me show you guys the monthly chart if we can. Yeah, so this is the monthly chart. This was a key resistance line over here. I thought that it might break out and go to the upside, but obviously this is showing signs of volatility, so we do not know what would happen to it in the short term. Let me show you guys the yearly chart. Anyways, guys, the market cap is 17.37% for the day. 13.54% down for the month. Yeah, the last highs happened with the Wadzpay Chain AMA, if you remember. So I remember it vividly. The momentum was building, and since that time, the price went plummeted down to 0.026, and since that time, it has found its way back up, guys. Check this out. From 0.028, it went all the way up to 0.044, and now it is volatile again. Anyways, guys, the discussion I wanted to show you guys was this. This is latest. Check this out. This is from Anish, the CEO of Whatspay, wishing you and your family a happy and prosperous New Year 2024. So yeah, happy New Year to you too, Anish. We know that you are eagerly waiting for updates. I have quickly put together some updates on key pending items. Licensing number one. I was in Middle East last week of 2023 and we are putting all the efforts to close this. This should be anytime soon. Okay. So the other is Wadzpay Chain. I saw some comments regarding private and public chain. The private chain is already live and will be used for Hajj and Umrah. This does not require to be licensed. The public chain is awaiting approvals. Parts of our public chain need to be licensed as it is meant to carry settlements. Hope the above is helpful. We will also provide more frequent updates moving forward. Now, guys, this was the latest update on WPC as well as licensing. Let me show you guys the comments, and it was all fireworks. I really wanted to share this with you guys to get your insights as well. Let me show you guys. So this is 2 hours ago from QNT is the key. Sorry, buddy, that's not helping. The deadline for this stuff, according to you, was Q4 2023. Yeah, you might remember that it was planned for Q4 2023, so it didn't happen. It's not okay to just say soon. What does soon mean? Next week, within the next month, within the month before Q1 is up, next year. You basically just repeated what you've said in the past. Soon is arbitrary. So this was the post, and it garnered fireworks, guys. Let me show you. Just leave then. It is very easy. So this was from Wadzpay US. That just leave. QNTs, the key replied, "Why are you telling me what to do with my investment? I never said I was selling. I'm just holding the CEO of the company accountable for his words. US, you should do the same instead of being a constant RA cheerleader, which makes you look like you're paid by them. Don't you want more clarity on timeframes? You wouldn't agree that soon is meaningless unless we know what soon looks like to Anish." I wasn't rude in my reply to him, nor do I think I'm being unreasonable. The community was told Q4 for all of this stuff. We are past Q4. Now we hear soon. What does that mean? So, guys, basically, QNT is the key saying that Anish should give basically a clearer time frame of when then soon is basically because he thinks that it is arbitrary and it needs to be clarified further. Hurdles. No offense, pal, but you're talking gibberish. How exactly do you expect a specific date to be given if they could only estimate a time frame of a full quarter to begin with? Setting a specific date would be unwise, getting the recent missed deadline. Soon is better than Q1. Agree? So this is the reply. No, I don't agree, and you insulted me while saying no offense. Clearly, you meant to offend me, so don't be disingenuous. Now, if English is your first language, by all means, reread my reply to him. I didn't ask for a specific date, I asked for a time frame. Soon isn't a time frame, it's arbitrary. I heard soon with ODL when I was an XRP investor. I heard soon regarding gateways for QNT. That never happened. Soon in crypto can be years. And to a certain extent, obviously, I agree with what he's saying that in crypto, basically the FTX crash and what happened with Luna have made a lot of people extremely skeptical on dates and timelines and roadmaps, the promises. There are a lot of projects that had roadmaps and they basically couldn't launch them or it didn't come into fruition. So I agree. I basically get what from where he's coming from, but the others, the Wadzpay community members, they are basically bullish on the project and they want to be patient. So this is what I'm getting from their conversation. That never happens. Soon in crypto can be is. It's what these heads of projects say when they actually have no clue when it will get done. If you would quit being an asset leaking apologist for the project for even 1 second, you'd see that my reply to Anish and my questions were very fair. Does soon mean January, Q1, first half of 2024? So he's basically asking for specific deadlines rather than being clear. And according to him, that the soon didn't happen in Q4. So I think he's upset being an investor, obviously. So soon is soon. Vara has not yet publicly released the list of companies that have been granted VASP licenses. However, the authority has stated that it is in the process of reviewing applications and that it expects to approve the first licenses in early 2024. Vara has also stated that it will publish a public register of licensed VASPs once the licensing process is complete. Okay, that helps. Why couldn't Anish just say that? That's not soon. That's specifically stating early 2024. That's what I was looking for. Thank you. Also a bit vague, I agree, but you could really expect it very soon. So, guys, this basically ended on a light note and by this statement. So, yeah, guys. Bod's Wizard, you are absolutely spot on, mate. I've seen this movie before. Over promising and under delivering is a massive red flag. Also, stalling and being vague with deadlines is concerning. One more month of this garbage by any streets, and I'm selling my 1%. Okay, so get real. Over promising that a third party regulatory body may have given approval by the end of Q4, and 3 days later providing an update of soon is a red flag. If you don't leave, I hope you're all big enough to apologize when it goes live and your hypocrisy starts to show. Take your WTK goggles off for 1 second. All I'm saying is when a CEO tweets deadline dates and doesn't deliver on numerous occasions, it is a red flag. I've seen this before and been burnt by CEOs projecting falsehoods. If licensing is unpredictable, then don't tweet dates. So bingo, and this is not the only thing that and that the project has done that was screwy. They also changed the tokenomics and increased the supply. This is the basically the uh, points that the skeptics always bring: the increase of supply that happened in the initial phase, the tokenomics, not being clear on tokenomics and all of that. I'm not trying to FUD here. I'm just stating facts, indisputable facts. I want my WTK investment to work out, and I think it will just based on the fact that almost every crypto has a nice run in a bull market. I'm just not yet convinced that the run that the token has will even partially fueled by the company hitting its goal or just hype. But I bought back into WTK in early December based on the Q4 talk about Tier 1 listing and Wadzpay Chain going live. And now that didn't happen, all I'm asking for is a realistic time. You talk about facts, but in order to have the full picture about the token supply increase in 2022, you need to listen to this podcast from Anish back in June 2021. Also, how can he give a realistic time frame if he's waiting on the regulator? Regulator can do what they want. So, guys, you guys can check this out as well. This is from WTKME. The answer to, according to him, this is the answer to the supply increase and all of that stuff if you're interested. So this was a rather interesting conversation that I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted your opinions as well on all of this. What do you guys think about it? What is your take on this? Do hit the comment box below, guys, to discuss this. I'll be happy to see the discussion of the community, the crypto growth community on all of this. So, guys, do that. Start a discussion. Let us check what are your opinions. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, if you're interested in utility coins as well as other potential gems as well, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for reminders. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.